Imagine waking up in a world where robots no longer just sweep the floor or beep politely as they whiz by. They now chat with hotel guests, lend a helping hand in factories, and even serve up your favorite dish at a restaurant. Sounds a bit like sci-fi? Well, thanks to leaps in artificial intelligence, this is becoming our new normal. Join us as we pull back the curtain on how AI is turbocharging the evolution of robotics, revolutionizing industries from manufacturing and healthcare to hospitality and disaster recovery. Let's kick things off with the stars of the factory floor, collaborative robots, affectionately known as cobots. Remember when robots were kept behind cages? Not anymore. Cobots like Universal Robots UR20 and KUKA's LBR-EWA are rolling up their sleeves right beside humans. They pick, place, weld, and assemble. But the real magic lies in their AI-powered brains. With digital twin simulations, they learn from every new challenge, tweak their movements, and help factories churn out solar panels and electric vehicle batteries with less waste and more flexibility. These robot co-workers don't just work hard, they work smart, constantly optimizing workflows and promoting sustainability. But what about logistics? The behind-the-scenes lifeblood of modern economies. Enter the world of AI-driven automation in warehouses. Meet the fleet from Symbotic and Zebra technologies. Agile, self-navigating, mobile robots zipping around, picking and packing customer orders with astonishing speed. How do they do it? AI guides every move, mapping the shortest routes and even forecasting when a machine might need a tune-up before it breaks down. Fewer breakdowns mean fewer bottlenecks, keeping goods moving smoothly, whether it's sneakers from your favorite brand or groceries headed straight to your door. Next up, robotics in the world of hospitality, gastronomy, and retail. Yes, robots are now serving guests and charming customers. Picture this. You walk into a hotel lobby, and a cheerful robot receptionist like Pollen Robotics Ricci greets you, answers your questions, and even recommends the nearest coffee spot based on your preferences. Over at the restaurant, robots whisk away dirty plates or deliver piping hot meals to your table, efficiently and with a digital smile. Thanks to AI, these bots do more than follow scripts. They understand speech, recognize emotions, and tailor their service. By 2032, such service robots could represent a $65 billion market, making your next hotel stay just a little bit more futuristic and a lot more fun. Let's not forget healthcare, where humanoid robots are stepping up to support nurses and doctors. Think Boston Dynamics Atlas, guiding patients through physical therapy steps, or Tesla Optimus, offering companionship and assistance to seniors. Their AI brains allow them to interpret nuanced human emotions, carry on meaningful conversations, and provide both physical and emotional support. And don't be surprised if your hospital's new receptionist never takes a sick day. AI-powered humanoids are filling staffing gaps, navigating sensitive interactions, and helping medical teams work more efficiently. There's even more happening in specialist sectors where human safety is the #1 priority. Picture an amphibious beatbot robot turtle diving into murky floodwaters for rescue missions, or Jidoka's robotic dog inspecting power lines after a storm. These robots venture into hazardous, hard-to-reach places so humans don't have to, leveraging AI to analyze complex environments and make split-second decisions, all while keeping risk to a minimum. So what's the big takeaway? In 2025, AI and robotics are reshaping every corner of every industry, creating safer workplaces, smoother services, and more sustainable solutions. The real question is, which robotic sidekick excites you the most? Could you imagine trusting a robot in a hospital, a hotel, or managing your next online order? Let us know where you see robots making the biggest splash in your life. Drop your thoughts below. The future's not just coming, it's rolling, walking, and sometimes even dancing right beside us.